Sir Isaac Newton was one of the greatest scientific minds in history. His profound discoveries in physics and mathematics revolutionized our understanding of the natural world. In this script, we present you with 14 of his most inspiring quotes, carefully arranged to provide a cohesive and enlightening experience. From the laws of motion to the mysteries of the universe, Newton's words continue to inspire curiosity and awe. Join us on this intellectual journey as we explore the groundbreaking ideas of Isaac Newton and uncover the timeless truths that shaped the foundations of modern science. Quotes. Quote 1. If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. Quote 2. To every action, there is always opposed an equal reaction. Quote 3. I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people. Quote 4. Truth is ever to be found in simplicity, and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things. Quote 5. Gravity explains the motions of the planets, but it cannot explain who sets the planets in motion. Quote 6. Tact is the art of making a point without making an enemy. Quote 7. What goes up must come down. Quote 8. I do not know what I may appear to the world, but to myself I seem to have been only like a boy playing on the seashore and diverting myself in now and then finding a smoother pebble or a prettier shell than ordinary, whilst the great ocean of truth lay all undiscovered before me. Quote 9. If I have done the public any service, it is due to my patient thought. Quote 10. I was like a boy playing on the seashore and diverting myself now and then finding a smoother pebble or a prettier shell than ordinary, whilst the great ocean of truth lay all undiscovered before me. Quote 11. To explain all nature is too difficult a task for any one man or even for any one age. 'Tis much better to do a little with certainty and leave the rest for others that come after you, than to explain all things by conjecture without making sure of anything. Quote 12. We build too many walls and not enough bridges. Quote 13. Nature is pleased with simplicity. Quote 14. Plato is my friend. Aristotle is my friend. But my greatest friend is truth. Isaac Newton was one of the most brilliant minds of all time. His work has had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe, and his genius was so undeniable that it inspired great thinkers and scholars to praise him in the highest terms. The great thinkers of the world have been unanimous in their praise of Newton. They have called him the last man who knew everything, the greatest genius that ever lived, and the greatest mind that ever applied itself to the study of natural philosophy. These quotes are a testament to the high regard in which Newton was held by his peers, and they serve as a reminder of his lasting legacy. And this is what was said about him. Voltaire said, Newton was the last man who knew everything. Laplace said, Newton was the greatest genius that ever lived, and the greatest mathematician that ever was or ever will be. Einstein said, Newton was the greatest mind that ever applied itself to the study of natural philosophy. Charles Darwin said, Newton was the most original genius that ever lived, and the greatest discoverer since Galileo. David Hume said, Newton was the greatest and rarest genius that ever rose in the world. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe said, Newton was the greatest of all natural philosophers, and the safest of all guides in the field of natural science. John Maynard Keynes said, Newton was the last of the magicians. Stephen Hawking said, Newton was the greatest scientist of all time. Paul Dirac said, Newton was the greatest physicist of all time. Albert Einstein said again, Newton was a giant upon whose shoulders we all stand. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the profound quotes of Sir Isaac Newton, his groundbreaking discoveries and insightful observations continue to shape our understanding of the universe. We hope these 14 quotes have sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore the wonders of science and mathematics. Remember to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell button to stay connected and receive innovative content that will expand your intellectual horizons. As Isaac Newton once said, if I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to sharing more enlightening content with you soon.